Every time you turn around, an angel stands next to you and tries to warn you. But the world has been too loud, there have been too many distractions, and there is too much misunderstanding. But now God says, enough. He is now sending you this message to let you know that your body or mind is experiencing something that is not what it seems to be when you look at it. It's not making you better. You're not being saved. It is slowly changing something holy inside you. The guardian angel has been crying, which is why you were led here. Not because you are lost, but because you are too trusting of what was never divine. That medicine, be it a pill, an injection, a tonic, or something masked behind the term treatment, is a counterfeit cure. The angel sent to protect your health is shouting in the realm of spirit, and finally, the heavens heard. Hey, you really need to open your eyes and keep in mind that not every solution comes from being all righteous. There are mixtures out there labeled as science that actually hold the toxins of manipulation. This one, the one you've got or the one you're thinking about, is connected to a bigger picture. It's not designed to help you heal, but rather to keep you apart. Heaven just wants to make it clear that this isn't about spreading fear. This is a rescue mission. As soon as your hands made contact with the container, the angels began to stir. As soon as you let it in, your soul started to weep quietly. Your divine blueprint has been putting up a bit of a fight against it. Have you noticed any strange shifts in your dreams, energy levels, memory, or faith lately? Have you been feeling a bit more disconnected from your purpose, your passion, or that sense of clarity? These symptoms go beyond the physical, they're spiritual too. The medicine that the angel is cautioning you about was partly created to reduce divine sensitivity. So, you weren't really meant to hear God clearly after taking it. Hey, you weren't really meant to notice the angel next to you. But God says, I won't let what I created be separated from me without putting up a fight. This is the fight we're talking about. Here's the intervention. Here's the reason you found this message. It's not just luck or a search. It's all about making a command. Heaven's been patiently waiting for the perfect moment, and now it feels like the veil is getting a little thinner. This message was tucked away in your journey, almost like a secret note from another realm, because the time is pressing. You've got some choices ahead of you. There's something within you that's going through some chemical changes, and it's not leading you toward a sense of peace. Your angel is there for you, not only to keep you safe in a physical sense, but also to support you on a spiritual level. So, when you started using this medicine, your body might have felt some relief, but it seems like your soul started to dim a bit. The light got a bit dimmer. It seemed like the connection wasn't as strong. Your spiritual instincts have faded. I saw it. So, that's the reason he sent this message. So, that's why the angel has been floating around your room at night, gently touching your forehead while you sleep and whispering those warnings that you just can't seem to understand. So, that's the reason behind those weird dreams you've been having. Your cravings for certain things have shifted, and that's why. That's probably why you've been feeling tired in strange ways, or getting emotional out of nowhere. The angel attempted to redirect the damage, but now it's time to take action. It's time to pay attention. The medicine isn't what heals you, it's the weight. It's all about the trickery. You know, in the spiritual world, not everything that looks like help is actually good for you. Some people wrap up corruption in a pretty package. Some people disguise control as a way to help others. Hey, you weren't meant to feel numb. Hey, you really shouldn't have just gone along with this without asking some questions first. But they said this would be helpful. This was the only way, right? Your body, your brain, your chemistry really needed this. But you know, it seems like your spirit never really wanted this. Your spirit really is what guides everything else. So, there was this moment, not too long ago. Hey, do you remember that? Remember that moment when you felt a little unsure, that slight twist in your gut before you took that pill or said yes to that prescription? That definitely wasn't just a coincidence. That wasn't fear. Your instincts were like angels shouting at you. But you know, the world really has a knack for drowning out those heavenly warnings. People tend to label everything divine as irrational. They refer to every message from above as a mental trick. But I'm not being unreasonable. I'm here forever. There's definitely a real danger here. It's more than just this medicine. It's all about what it's linked to. Who created it? Why is that? What hidden impact does it have? What agreement was made when it was created? Every medicine has its own energy and vibration, you know? This one was made not just to fix something, but to inspire something within you, guiding your body on how to act and encouraging your spirit to find stillness. So, it seems like God has stepped in because he just can't stand to see another soul drift off, believing they're going to wake up again. The angel's been keeping track of everything that's going on. Every tear, every sigh, every side effect you thought was just part of life, and every odd feeling of spiritual disconnection you've been experiencing lately. And that angel has asked the Lord to speak up now. He's here, not to make you feel bad or to punish you, but to help you see things clearly since time is getting tight. But God won't be silenced. His voice is lifting within you. As you read this, there's a place waiting for you to step into, and it's important to enter it feeling clear, sober, and whole. Once you let go of that toxic command in your cells, you'll find that heaven is already setting up your healing journey, aligning you with nature, bringing in the right people, knowledge, prayers, and frequencies. Hey, before anything else, you need to follow this message. You really need to listen. It's important to lean on your faith in the divine, rather than relying on artificial things. It's important to say no, even if people think you're being silly for it. Your angel is here to lend a hand. You'll experience withdrawal symptoms, and they won't just be physical, they'll also be emotional and spiritual. When you disconnect from a fake system, it really makes a lot of noise, but the peace that follows isn't something we find in this world. The peace that's waiting for you after you embrace obedience is filled with a heavenly scent. You'll definitely notice the difference. You'll notice it in your dreams, in how you feel, in your mind, and in your vibe. You'll find your joy again. You'll get your sharpness back. Your sense of divine timing is coming back around. What this medicine numbed, God is bringing back to life now. It might be a bit challenging. You might sense that fear creeping in. You might find yourself questioning this message. That's pretty much what I thought would happen. But God says, just ask me. If you're feeling a bit lost, just come talk to me. I'll go ahead and confirm that. You really don't have to just accept this without questioning it. Feel free to ask for signs. Feel free to ask for validation, and the angel will be there to show it to you. You might start noticing things more clearly, seeing colors more vividly, and feeling inspired to look into topics you never thought to explore before. That's where the awakening starts. Healing goes beyond just the physical aspect. It's all about the spirit. It always has been, you know. Your body is like a temple. It's time for a change now. It's time to lift your head up now. I'm bringing fresh air into your lungs. I'm giving you a boost of energy in your limbs. I'm telling those things that have been holding you back to just let go. Chains are coming apart. Even now, the darkness is pulling back. The dawn of my greatness is starting to shine in your life. The night isn't going to stick around forever. A new day is on the horizon, and it's already started. It's a day for healing. Are you going to get it? Are you going to say yes to me? I'll handle that for you. How about I take on the load for you? Just take a moment to relax. Let go of the past. Let's not try to guess the future based on the past. I'm trying something new. Can't you see it? I'm creating rivers in the wasteland and carving out paths in the wilderness. I'm bringing some fruit from the dry land. I'm bringing life to places that felt dead. What some might see as hopeless, I see as something sacred. What some people see as impossible, I see as already accomplished. You know, what you've been dealing with for years can really change in just an instant. I'm the God of the unexpected. I'm the master of making the impossible happen. I'm all about bringing things back to life. I'm not just here to help you heal. I'm working on bringing back everything that was taken, everything that slipped away, and everything that seemed beyond fixing. Don't worry, you won't be walking with a limp forever. This wound won't make you cry forever. Hey, just remember, you won't be in this cycle forever. I'm reaching out to bring you in. Come on in and join me by the river. Just let it flow over you. Let it fill up the dry spots in your soul. Let it ease the spots that have become tough. Let it wash away the bitterness, the fear, and the disappointment. Your pain doesn't bother me at all. I'm really attracted to it because I care a lot. It really hurts me when you're hurting, and I can't just sit back and let you go through that. I'm here to take down what the enemy has built. I'm here to help set the captives free. I'm here to bring you life, not just getting by, but a vibrant, overflowing life that touches your body, your mind, and your health. Let's keep what I've joined together. Your spirit and body aren't at ease. They're one and the same. I'm really invested in both of them. Your energy, your rest, and your freedom to move really matter to me. Breathe deeply and laugh fully. Your happiness really matters to me. So, I'll say it once more. With all the care in my heart, I really want to help you heal your body. I'm here with you now, my child. I've always been right here with you, and now I'm getting even closer, not just to comfort you, but to help you feel whole again. I'm here as your creator. I'm here as your healer. I'm here to help heal not just your heart and mind, but every part of your body, every system, every cell, and every spot where pain might be hanging out. Let me guide you, my dear, and as I do, I'll also receive. I start right at the top of your head. I softly rest my hand there. I'm sending peace to your scalp, your skin, your hair, and every single follicle. I ease the tension that's been hanging out at the top of your head, the pressure you've been feeling even if you can't see it. Let it rise now. I'm sending some joyful vibes your way with a little oil for your scalp. I help blood flow smoothly and ensure nutrients get to every root. I'm sending positive vibes to your hair, even to those strands that have thinned out from all the stress and sadness. I'm saying, let's be renewed. I'm now connecting with your brain, where all your thoughts and memories live. I take a deep breath, exploring the depths of your cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. I help you get your neurons in sync with a higher purpose. When things get confusing, I bring clarity. Where fear has taken hold from trauma, I replace it with pure love. I'm working on rewiring the pathways that have been affected by anxiety and depression. I'm easing the restlessness, quieting those alarms that just keep going off. I'm feeling a deep and complete sense of peace right now. I share my thoughts with you. I fix what's been broken. I get rid of toxins. I help reverse disease. I'm telling cirrhosis to stop. I'm giving this filtration organ a fresh start. I help bring balance to your blood sugar, insulin, and pancreas. Diabetes can be healed. Feeling tired and cloudy, time to shake it off. Energy is coming back. I'm going to shift my focus now to your reproductive system, covering both males and females. I made you, and now I'm connecting with you in a sacred way. I help bring things back to working order. I create harmony. My hormones are starting to find their balance, aligning perfectly with my true self. Cysts can dissolve on their own. Endometriosis and fleas. PCOS is kept quiet. Uteruses and ovaries. I bring life into my words. I'm talking about restoring testes and prostates, getting libido and fertility cycles sorted out. I let go of shame. Your body is special. Your sexuality isn't a curse. It's truly a blessing. I'm working on healing the trauma that tried to take so much from me. You're looking great. You're complete. You're mine. I'm touching your bladder and your kidneys. I bring back control, function, and filtration. Infections, stones, and weaknesses, I'm taking them out now. Say goodbye to incontinence. The pain comes to an end. Clean water is going to flow again. You'll feel a sense of relief. I'm talking to your lower back right now. There's a lot of strain and pain stored up here. I help get your spine back in line. I help to relax nerves. I help with swelling, bulging discs, herniations, and sciatica to promote healing. I help you build strength in your core muscles and improve your posture. You'll be standing tall again soon. You'll get up without a second thought. Your movements won't be controlled by the fear of pain anymore. All right. I'm moving down to your hips now. I work on restoring cartilage. I take care of joints by lubricating them. I get rid of grinding, locking, and stiffness. I talk about mobility. I communicate with ease. You were meant to move around freely and with joy. Feel that freedom flowing into your thighs, your femurs, your quads, and your hamstrings right now. I wish them well. I'm all about building strength. I help get blood flowing again. I help you shake off fatigue. I help restore what's been lost. You'll be running again soon. You'll be dancing again soon. You'll kneel comfortably. I find myself at your knees, feeling worn down so often. I give them a gentle touch. I work on rebuilding cartilage. I work on strengthening ligaments. I help with swelling reduction. My mind and bones follow my lead. Your surgeries don't define who you are. Get ready to stand up and take a step forward. And not just walk, you'll leap in praise. Just let the pain fade away. Just let go of that fear. Let's get your calves, shins, and ankles feeling great again. The cramps stop. Swelling goes down. Your circulation gets better. Numbness is leaving. Strength is coming back. So, let's talk about your feet. These feet that have taken you through some tough times. These feet have felt the ache of pain. I'm kneeling here in front of you, my child, and I'm reaching out to touch them. Every toe, every bone, every tendon, you know? So, we've got plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, and arthritis on the table. All right, go ahead and take off. Balance is back. Agony fades away. Where you've limped, you'll now walk with confidence. In the places where you were scared to stumble, you'll find yourself rising up and dancing. These feet are all about bringing good news, wishing you all the best on your journey. I'm here to bless your journey. I'll straighten out every twist and turn for you. I've touched you from head to toe. I'm renewing you from the inside out. Every organ, every cell, every nerve brought back to life. You're different now. I've shared my healing with you. My breath keeps you going. My light shines because of you. So, this is just the start. Allow your body to celebrate. Let your soul shine brightly for me. Allow your heart to find its melody once more. I've taken care of you. I'm still working on healing you. I'll keep healing you because my love for you is everlasting, unstoppable, and unshakable. I'm not done just yet. Amen.